Aisha Nadzzyrah binti Muhamaad.
Hi, my name is Insyirah binti Saifol Azman.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So, my name is Nur Alisya Aqilah.
And hi, I am Shasha Irsyalina Ezynilia binti Muhamaad Eseherapphy.
Sunita intends to invest 1,500 every month for 3 years at 12% compounded monthly. So, we need to find the future value at the end of the annuity. So, in order to find the future value, we need to use the S formula that has been shown in the slide. We also need to identify all the terms and just substitute the amount into the formula. And the answer for this question is 64,650 ringgit and 32 cents. For the second one, we need to find the interest that will be earned by using interest formula, which is I equals to S minus NR. Just do the same thing as the first one. We need to substitute all the amount into the formula, and you get the answer for this question is 10,650 ringgit 32 cents. For the last question, for my part, is the question B. Izzah takes a loan that charges interest at 6.6% compounded monthly. He repays the loan in 8 years with monthly payment of 677 ringgit. Immediately after paying the 66 payment, he decides to settle the balance of the loan. So, we need to find the balance that Izzah has to pay. So we need to use the A formula, which is known as present value. And the answer for this question is 18,675 ringgit 78 cents.
Question 1C1. Calculate the monthly payment. First, we need to find the 20% down payment, which is 302,000 times 0.2. We will get 64,000 as our down payment. Then, we need to find the present value by using the formula. Present value equals to cash price minus down payment. We will get the present value, which is 256,000. After that, we will use formula A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus K over M to the power of negative M times T over K over M. We will put all the information into the formula and we will get 256,000 equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus 0.0455 over 12 to the power of negative 12 times 20 over 0.0455 over 12. And we get our answer, which is 1,626 ringgit and 50 cents. Question 1C2. Here we will use formula S equals to R times 1 plus K over M to the power of N minus 1 over K over M. For R, we will use the previous answer from question 1C1. So the equation will become 1,626 ringgit and 50 cents times 1 plus 0.06 over 12 to the power of 11 minus 1 over 0.06 over 12. And we will get our answer equals to 18,254 ringgit and 58 cents. Question 1D. Here we will use formula S equals to R times 1 plus K over M to the power of M times T minus 1 over K over M. We will put all the information from the question into the formula and we will get 215 times 1 plus 0.06 over 12 to the power of 12 times 5 and 6 over 12 minus 1 over 0.06 over 12, and we will get our final answer for S is 16,762 ringgit and 47 cents.
The second question is, on 2nd July 2014, Maria received an invoice of 100 rice cookers after trade discount of 25% and 20%. A freight cost of 107 ringgit is also included in the invoice. If a payment of 5,250 was made on 6 July 2014 with cash term of 5, 10, net 30, find the list price of each rice cooker. So first we need to come up with the formula. So total payment is equals to list price times 1 minus R1, which is the trade discount, times with 1 minus R2, times with 1 minus C is the cash terms, plus transportation costs. So 5,350 need to be minus with 107 because 107 is also included in the invoice for the freight cost. So we got RM 5,243. So 543 equals to list price times 1 minus 0.25 times with 1 minus 0.2 times with 1 minus 0.05 plus 107. So the list price is equals to 563,989 ringgit and 51 cents. Next is question 2B. Tunggak Jaya Enterprise bought wood stoves from a wholesaler at listed price of 850 ringgit per unit with trade discount of 25% and X%. If the amount of trade discount obtained was 244 ringgit 35 cents, find the value of X. So first we need to know the net price. So net price is equals to list price minus TDA, trade discount amount. So 850 is the list price minus with 244 ringgit 35 cents, which is the trade discount, and net price is equals to 605 ringgit 65 cents. Next, we need to find the value of X. So we use the formula net price is equals to list price times with 1 minus R1, which is the trade discount amount, the first trade discount, times with the 1 minus R2, which is the second trade discount. So we substitute the amount, the information into the equation. So 605 ringgit 65 cents is equals to 850 ringgit times with 1 minus 0.25 times with 1 minus X. So X is equals to 5%.
So right now we are going to answer question 2C. First of all, we need to read the question carefully and identify what formula and what information that we give to us. So as we know that the Ira Boutique Collection received the invoice in 12 November 2018 and it stated that 150 batu kurung 75 ringgit each, which means 1 batu kurung is 75 ringgit. So it's also offered the trade discount 12% and 8% with the cash discount, which is 8% within 10 days and 5% within 15 days. So for the first question is the single discount rate equivalent to the trade discount. Okay, as we know that the rate equivalent has its formula by itself, which is sedia R equals to 1 minus R1, 1 minus R2. So for this question, our R is 12% and 8%. So we have to substitute the 12% and 8% into the formula, which is 1 minus in the bracket 1 minus 0.12 bracket 1 minus 0.08. So we get 19.04%. How do we get 19.04%? We need to multiply 100, as we know that R is our rate. So we need to multiply 100 to become our rate. So we got 19.04%. For question number 2, the last day to receive 5% cash discount. As we know that the information given is the cash discount terms that we have 8% within 10 days and 5% within 15 days, right? So to get 5% of cash discount, we know that the invoice that Ira Boutique Collection received is 12 November 2018, right? To get the 5% cash discount, we have to times 15 days. So because the 5% is just for the 15 days, not 10 days. Because for the 10 days, we only get 8%. For question number 3, we need to find the amount payment for 25 November 2018. For this question, we use the formula of total payment equals to L in the bracket 1 minus R1 in the bracket 1 minus R2 in the bracket 1 minus C. So L is the list price. So we don't know the list price. So first of all, we need to find the list price, which is 150 baju kurung must multiply with 75 ringgit. Then we get 11,250. That is our list price. Second, we have to find the C because we doesn't have any information about C. So how to find it? November 25 have to minus with 12. We get 30. Why 12? Because the invoice that we receive is 12 November. So we get 30. In the 13 days, we get 5% cash discount. So we have to insert on our formula. It became 11,250 in the bracket 1 minus 0.12 in the bracket 1 minus 0.08 in the bracket 1 minus 0.05. So we get the answer is 8,652 and 60 cents. Thank you, that's all.